Okay, let's make some candied almonds today on Dave's Cooking Show. And here is the, I guess, dry coating. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of everybody's favorite salt, kosher salt. What, nothing better than Jew salt. And stir this around and then set aside. Okay, now on to the wet ingredients in this. You want the white of 1 egg. Easiest way to do that is when you crack the egg, kind of keep the yolk balancing between the two halves of the eggshell, and the white will eventually go out. You want a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then beat the ever-loving shit out of this with a whisk until you basically get kind of this white, frothy foam building up. It'll take about a minute, maybe 2. So, something like that is what you want. All right, next step. Okay, as you can see, we got our, I guess, wet mix done. Just another little quick stir. Then you want to add 4 cups or 16 ounces of raw almonds to the mix, and then give them a stir. Get them as evenly coated as possible. Now it's time for the dry ingredients to be added. You know, the other mix we made. And also, you want to have preheated the oven to 275 degrees. And then you want to spread these out on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake them for 40 minutes. In the middle, you can kind of open up the oven, take the tray out, and stir them around a little bit if you want. I didn't, and they turned out great. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the almonds are done. 40 minutes has passed, and this is what you should be left with. And trust me, these are delicious, perfect for a holiday party or anytime you're having people over. These will hit the spot. All right, that's candied almonds. Done.